Hello there! On this video I'm going to show you how I decorate my digital planner for the month of September. For my cover page, I wanted to see the leaves floating across the two pages. I didn't really like the way this layout turned out, so I decided to switch to the Procreate app to decorate the pages. To decorate the pages of the planner, I'm going to take a screenshot, select the pages, and save it to my camera roll. I imported the saved image into the Procreate app and started decorating it by adding stickers. Here is a great tip. If you have a sheet with several stickers, use the lasso tool to select the sticker that you want to use. In the bottom of the screen, click the Duplicate Content option. In the Layers window, delete the main sticker sheet. I want the flower to look like it's inside the base. I'm using the eraser tool and a regular pen brush to delete the parts of the image that I don't need. I'm reducing the opacity of the stickers to make them look like they're behind the paper. Once I'm happy with the way the pages look, I save them to my camera roll. When you import an image into the GoodNotes app, the image is inserted in the middle of the page. Use the blue dots on the sides of the paper to enlarge the image. On these two pages, I'm going to create a minimalist layout for my weekly spread. In the description box, I will list all the stickers that I'm using on my planner. Instead of creating this design again, I'm copying it and pasting it in the two pages. Make sure the image and the handwriting options are turned on in the toolbar. For this weekly spread, I'm going to type the things I need to do instead of handwriting them. I'm using the heart shape as bullet points. To only copy and paste the text box around the page, make sure the handwriting and images option are turned off in the toolbar. If you notice that your planner starts to lag or takes a couple of seconds to load the pages, reduce the amount of highlighter you're using. There is a glitch in the GoodNotes app highlighter tool, and the only way to fix it at the moment is to use less highlighter on the pages. I'm trying to keep up with my savings tracker. I copied it from the previous month and added a new pattern for the month of September. If you want to move the handwriting from an image, make sure to turn off the image option in the toolbar, but keep the handwriting option on. You can find this mood tracker and all my other free printables in the description box. I was not convinced about this layout. I went back to the Procreate app to try to recreate what I had on my mind. Florida is very warm and full of nature. I want this layout to represent what I feel when I walk outside during the month of September. To change the color of an image, select the color and drag and drop it inside of the image. To change the opacity of an image, select the opacity option in the Adjustments tool. Slice your fingers across the screen to change the opacity and repeat the same steps with all the images. I love the way these two pages finally turned out. Now I'm saving the image to my camera roll and adding it back to the GoodNotes app. While I was adding the September sticker, I decided to change the background of the paper from dot to graph. I want to use this cover page to write down my thoughts and memories. To change the paper, go back to the Procreate app. Find the type of paper you want to use, add it to the Procreate canvas, and in the bottom of the screen, click the Fit to Screen option. In the Layers option, delete the paper that you no longer want to use. If your iPad and Mac computer are connected to the same Wi-Fi, you can copy something on your Mac and paste it on your iPad. I copied a text in my Mac and pasted it inside the text box of the GoodNotes app. I hope you enjoyed this video. Here is the final layout for the month of September.